You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dish. This is also the name of a type of sauce from Japanese cuisine. If you want to learn more names of dishes from Japan, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced as tonkatsu, tonkatsu. Now, not to be confused with tonkotsu, which is a broth, a different type of dish. This one is pronounced as tonkatsu. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.